I bet. So today's gonna be a special day. I'm gonna go withdraw $10,000 from my bank account, bro. Now I like to do this just so I can like physically have it in my hand, because at the end of the day, it's just numbers on the screen. I like to see it in real person and in real life. So let's just go get it and see what's gonna happen. And let's go. New whip.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was very kind of that.
So we arrived at the bank and I held the door open for a lady who gave me a compliment that made my day. So I walked in there, I went to the bank teller, I was like, yo, I'm here to withdraw 10K in cash. And they're like, okay, bet, but why? I was like, what? It's my money. Why are you asking me why? So then they're like, all right, bet. What bills do you want? I was like, I want 10K in cash. They're like, no, what bills? 20s, 50s, 100s, 10s. I was like, you know what? Let me get 20s, let me get 50s, and let me get hundos. So they're counting up the 20s right now, and I want you guys to guess how many $20 bills it's gonna be in the comments. And do not cheat. Now, I'm sorry for the bad angles. I didn't want to just have my phone up in the bank. I don't know. I thought they were gonna tell me something, even though it's my cash. But I was trying to get the best angles I could. She finished counting my 20s. I put them in an envelope. But let's go to the 50s. Now I'm gonna let the rest play out, just so you can hear the crispy cash noises. And after we get the whole 10K, I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm feeling. Now, seeing her count the cash was making me feel some type of way. I felt proud of myself because I said I was gonna grind, I was gonna hustle, and I did. So I'm withdrawing all the cash that I made in literally 1 month, which is crazy. Now, this wasn't my first time withdrawing a large amount from the bank. I actually withdrew 5K before, but still, this one was like a bigger milestone. If you took out a lot of money from the bank, let me know in the comments as well. I'm proud of you too, bro. So she finished counting my 50s, and I got 3,000 in 50s, 2,000 in 20s, so it adds up to $5,000. And you can see I put my 50s in the envelope as well. Now it's on to the Blue Benjamins.
For sure.
Now, since I took out a lot of money, I went to the golf course because that's what rich people do, right? I also wanted to see if anybody was following me as well.
10 cracks in the bag. I don't know why my heart was pounding, bro. I don't think I wasn't nervous. I think I was more scared that I was gonna get robbed or something. I don't know. I don't want to wish that upon me, but
I was taking precautions. I didn't know if anybody was following me, seeing if they were gonna rob me. But rate my swing in the comments, guys. Let me know. Guess what my handicap is. But yeah, let's head home and count it.
bro, this is $10,000, bro. Like what? I don't know why I expected it to be more. This is 20s. This is only 2K in 20s. This is 3K in 50s, and then this is 5K in hundreds. Can't even spread it over, bro. I can't even spread it over. Bro, this is crazy, bro. I never imagined having this much money in my hands, bro. And now that I have it, it's like, damn, bro. 10,000. I made all this in 1 month, bro. Bro, just crazy, man.
This is $15,000, bro. Like, damn, cuz. Never imagined me having this.
Because I've heard that a lot. Like, I've even heard Trump talk about early on. He had friends and business associates who they'd fly first class, even if it was a stretch, because it became the new standard, and then you start off.
Absolutely, you're right.
Yeah.
You put pressure on yourself, and you have bills to pay, you have no money in the bank, and it has to be done, and heading this.
Guys, I was gonna say that I could never imagine myself having that much cash in my hand. And when I was little, I couldn't. But honestly, I always knew I could do it. I knew it was possible, and that's why I achieved it, because I never put those limits on myself. The moment you say, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that, you're never gonna get it. Like, basically speaking that into existence. You should be speaking positive affirmations. Oh, I can do this, I can do that. And when you do make a mistake, you're like, dang, I suck at this now, but I promise you I'm gonna get better. Guys, I had literally 15K in cash in my hands. I withdrew 10K. It's a crazy experience. It just made it feel all real, because like I said in the video, it was literally numbers on the screen. But once you have that physical cash in hand, it makes it real. Now I don't really have cash, guys, so if you try to come around me, I'm not gonna have no cash. Don't come around me, please. Guys, when you literally hold your cash and save it, it literally goes down in value. So if I would have held that 15K in cash, it was just gonna deteriorate years after years after years. I'm putting that money to use. I'll drop a video on what I'm actually doing with that money, how I'm investing it, how I'm making sure that it's gonna come back to me tenfold possibly. You guys gotta stay tuned for that. Appreciate you for watching. I hope you guys can touch as much money as you want. In cash, in the bank, it doesn't matter. Appreciate you for watching. I hope you get inspired to continue attacking it, man. Let's go. 2025 is ours.